Hey, I got my patio attire on. Why? Because it is gorgeous weather outside, and I came up with this cocktail just because it's so wonderful outside, and I like to create. I put out a newsletter every month on Patreon, and in these newsletters there are lots and lots of Bruce originals, and this is one of them. So become one of my patrons. Hey! Now this one that was in the newsletter turned out so wonderful, I had to make it and share it with you, my viewers, YouTube viewers. Yeah, it's called Patio Daddy-O. Hey, I'm ready. Stoke the fire. What does that mean? This drink, the Patio Daddy-O, is so refreshing and so tasty. It has vodka in it. It has Lychee-Li. This is Gifford's Lychie-Li. Lychee liqueur. And you know, it is interesting. I was a little hesitant at first to to pick a bottle up. But I thought, why the hell not? It's got a wonderful color, doesn't it? Really, really floral. Really, really floral. Sugary sweet for sure. I haven't eaten enough lychees to know what a lychee liqueur is supposed to taste like. But after tasting it, I thought this is really actually quite workable. Okay, what we're gonna do is fill up our glass here. This is a built drink, so it's so simple to make. We're just gonna build it over ice. How cool is that? Most of the time we're so busy shaking to beat the band. I don't know what that means, but 1.5 ounces of vodka. I've got Silent Sam here. Use your favorite vodka. 1.5 ounces. 1 ounce of Lychie-Li, Gifford's Lychee liqueur. Yeah. Next is 1/2 ounce of fresh pressed lemon juice right into the glass. Looking good? Grapefruit juice. I got a grapefruit fresh pressed here. And you know, I should have probably done that with the lemon, but we'll do it now with this because there's so many little wonderful particles. 1/2 ounce of grapefruit juice. Look at that, beauty. Pineapple juice, 1 ounce. I'm just gonna add a little bit more ice in there. So I wanna fill my glass, you know. The next thing is 1 ounce of ginger beer. I've got the Fever Tree, and that is such a premium ginger beer. If you can afford it, buy it, you know? So, 1 ounce. That's all we need. Give it a very gentle stir. And all you want to do is rind some grapefruit or lemon, and just a nice fine paring, and wrap it around your bar spoon to get that great looking curl. Yeah, baby, there you are. Oh yeah, look at that. How sweet is that? And why not a little maraschino cherry, just for some color contrast. And I guess a straw. Yeah, I know it's a plastic straw, and we're not even allowed to use plastic straws at work anymore because, well, plastic is plastic. I don't know where my metal one is. One day I'll find it. Anyway, we'll pop that in there. Oh, how wonderful is that? Yeah, I'm ready for the patio, baby. Patio Daddy-O. Let's give it a go. Wow, that is so refreshing. Guaranteed. Ready for the patio. Make this up for your guests. You know, I get a little bit of kick from the Fever Tree ginger beer, but just enough not to dilute the vodka or the lychee liqueur. This is delightful. Wow, I'll be making that again, and I hope you make it too. Cheers. Hey! Hey! Gino Vanelli! Wild horses couldn't keep me doing something.
It's patio lanterns, Bruce. We're talking about patio lanterns.
Patio lanterns. I can't remember how the melody goes. Those patio lanterns were the stars in the sky. Those patio lanterns were then something on the jukebox. Hell, hit the subscribe button. Check the other videos out. Make the patio daddy-o. It's delicious. Thanks, Marilyn, for the shirt. I look awesome. Cha-cha.